Hi, I'm Glenn Snyder, Bobcat Product Specialist with Thomboys Power Sports and Equipment in Old Sound, Ontario. Today we're going to look at Bobcat's newest skid steer family, the 500 series. Today we specifically have an S530 skid steer. We have 14 different models of Bobcat skid steers, ranging from 700 pounds operating capacity to nearly 4,000 pounds of operating capacity. This particular model comes in at 1,700 pounds operating capacity. We're equipped with a vertical lift configuration. This particular model has the open station style cab. Moving around to the front. This particular model is equipped with Bobcat's ACS style controls, which means we can either run it with a hand control configuration or we can switch it with the flick of a simple switch and turn it into a conventional hand and foot configuration. This particular model has the manual style quick attach, hydraulic remote outlets on the front, and Bobcat's new cab forward roomy cab package. All of our new Bobcats have improved forward lighting. This is the standard industrial tire package on this particular machine. All Bobcats offer several tire options. As with all Bobcats, serviceability is number one. Our engine is mounted in sideways with our various service points easily accessible. Battery, air cleaner, engine oil fill, starter motor, filters, and our fuel. As with all Bobcats, clean air goes in through the top and is exhausted through the sides. All of the new 5, 6, 7, and 800 series loaders have much improved visibility to the rear, larger rear window, and our sloped back configuration. Also available on all Bobcat, or as standard on all Bobcat loaders, is our new Bobcat bumper as well, to protect the rear end from bumps. One thing I would like to show you here too, all of our hoses now run internally through the loader booms with Bobcat product all the way to the front. So we've got a clean boom all four sides.
Okay.